Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, my name is Daputa Tantara. I'm from 9.4 and today I want to tell you about material social. And the material is the background of the Indonesian national movement. The background of the Indonesian national movement can be explained through several factors: political, social, economic, cultural, and global, that create the foundation for the rise of nationalism and the struggle for independence. Here is a detailed explanation in paragraph from. The Indonesian national movement emerged in the early and 12th century as a response to centuries of colonial rule under the Dutch. Politically, the colonial government applied an authoritarian system that gave very limited participation to Indonesians in government. This inequality created dissatisfaction among the educated elite, who began to envision self-rule. Economically, the exploitation of natural resources through the cultivation system, and later colonial economic policies enriched the Dutch but caused poverty, famine, and suffering for Indonesians. Socially, there were sharp class distinctions between the Dutch, foreign Asian communities, and native Indonesians, leading to a growing sense of injustice and shared identity among the indigenous people. Culturally, the rise of Western-style education, particularly through the Dutch ethical policy 1901, produced a new generation of educated Indonesians who were exposed to modern political ideas such as democracy, equality, and self-determination. These educated class become the pioneers of nationalist organizations such as Budi Utomo 1908, which emphasized education and cultural awakening. At the same time, the spread of Islam and the establishment of Islamic organizations like Syarikat Islam helped unity the masses under shared values and strengthened collective consciousness. Globally, the Indonesian national movement was influenced by the growth of nationalism and independence movements in Asia and Africa, as well as the weakening of colonial powers. After World War I, the success of countries such as Japan in defeating Russia 1905 and later Asian nations pushed for independence inspired Indonesians to believe that liberation from colonialism was possible. All of these factors combined to foster a strong nationalist spirit, eventually leading to the formation of political parties, mass organizations, youth movements, and ultimately the proclamation of Indonesian independence in 1948 45. So maybe enough. This is for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.